What's up, Raza? Big Mundo here, and I'm back with another video. Alright, as you can see, a lot of the leaves are falling, and when it comes to this type of weather, you know, your time is almost up for riding your scoot, and that sucks. You know, winter's just right around the corner. So it's Sunday, beautiful day. Had to get out. I know it's supposed to be some crappy weather later this week. I think we already had snow once, but luckily it didn't stick. It got cold, now it got a little nice. Your typical weather here in Iowa. Fall weather. I mean, it is beautiful. This time of year, you got your sweatshirt on. You're not hot, you're not cold. It's just perfect. Motorcycle loves to run in this kind of weather. The motor loves it. Now I got the drone right now with me, and what I'm going to do is actually go down and fly the drone at the new I-74 bridge. And if you guys have seen all the pictures I've taken, I love the process on how it's coming along. But they're supposed to open one side up here at the end of this month in November, which is going to be pretty neat. So I really want to capture some of that before all the traffic and whatnot. But I really don't like flying over the Mississippi with my drone. So I'm going to do that today and just say, screw it, fly it. So what I'm going to try and do first off, with the sun still being a little low, try to get on this side of the old 74 bridge and show the comparison to the new one while the traffic's still going. And then when I get done with that battery, go around the other side and show the new one. And then I'll try and put everything together. And maybe I'll even try and, I've never really color graded a video, but try and make it a little bit more professional looking. See what I can do. Alright, let's get to the bridge and fly that drone. It is beautiful. Look at that, man.